Hello everybody, this is Divya here, and today we're going to discuss the impact of fat diets into our body. We're going to discuss how it affects our metabolic system and what are the health conditions it's going to create. So as I said, the fat diets are completely enraged now. We can see every magazine, every interviews, everybody talking about different diets. The so-called diet which is popping up and which is giving a craze, or so-called somebody will be following it and they would have seen a result, but the later on implication or what are the effects into their body, no one knows about the history. So we're going to discuss on that today. So as I said, the fat diets which is very much available right now, what does it do to our body? It is majorly followed to lose weight actually, but what happens afterwards is we have to consider. Like as I said, majorly it is done to lose weight, but actually you will gain back. I mean, you will gain back the lost weight and double up and sometimes triple the weight as well, because it is assuring the way of losing weight in a shorter period of time. It is not ethically good to your body. I mean, you are losing weight in a much longer pace, which is not gradual, which is not recommended to our body. So once you do that, you are not stripping out the fat alone, but you are stripping the lean mass of your body as well. So once you do that, you are not losing just the fat, you are losing your protein of the body as well. So if you lose your protein, it's not good for your body and you will end up having a health problem as well. So what happens if you follow the fat diets? There are studies which have reported that the people who are undergoing fat diets are prone to heart attacks as well. There are studies which have proven this as well, because the fat diets majorly what they do consider is like they go for low calorie restriction, and there are certain nutrients which is completely taken off, like potassium, magnesium or copper, which are really good for your healthy heart to be functioning in a proper way. But if these nutrients and many other vitamins and minerals are being completely taken off from because of low calorie diet, so because of that the chances of heart attack or the heart functioning will be improper. So this is already proven as well. As I said, the people who gain back to weight, there are chances of going down with the immunity as well, and people end up having nutrition deficiencies as well. So as I said already, going for a low calorie diet, there are certain nutrients which is completely taken off. There are certain nutrients which are not produced in our body. We have to compensate through diet. So having a balanced diet only can help you out. But if you are trying to follow something alienated which you haven't done before already, this will have you a health problem over your body. As I said, when you go for a low calorie diet or a low restriction diet or low fat completely, because there are good amount of fat required to your body to function. So when you go for that, your metabolic rate improves and your lean mass comes down. So you will be seeing a result, but it's not will be a healthy result. If you come down with your metabolic rate, the more it means you are burning very few calories. So basically you have to do is to improve on your metabolic rate by providing a balanced diet with a good amount of calories. So the bottom line is, don't get carried away with the fat diets, or you should concentrate whether the diet is going to get adapted to your body. It should be just individualized only to you, and all the basic 5 food ingredients should be included. Once then is done, then you will be achieving your goal, and that will be consistent as well.